It's Friday, July 29th, 2022. On the meter gauge railway, Hartzer, capital H-A-R-Z-E-R, capital S-C-H-M-A-L-S-P-U-R, capital B-A-H-N-E-N. At Wernigerode, Westerntor, as the sign indicates. We have a train arriving from the branch to Brocken, B-R-O-C-K-E-N. It's on a 1 in 30 gradient, 1,125 meters above sea level. This is a diesel hydraulic. These were originally standard gauge locomotives, and they were converted from 4-axle to 6-axle. Timetable indicated this should have been a 210-2 tank steam locomotive, coal-fired, of which there are 18 on this railway. And that white building is a passenger car shop for this railway. And it is 7:29 p.m. Friday, July 29th, 2022 at Wernigerode, Westerntor, capital W-E-R, capital W-E-R-N-I-G-E-R-O-D-E, capital W-E-S-T-E-R-N-T-O-R, Germany, on the Hartzer, Schmalzspur, Bonnen, capital H-A-R-Z-E-R, capital S-C-H-M-A-L-S-P-U-R, capital B-A-H-N-E-N. And I took a single, this is a 140 kilometer network of meter gauge, the largest remaining narrow gauge network in all of Europe. I took a single rail car today from Wernigerode, Hopbanov, capital W-E-R-N-I-G-E-R-O-D-E, capital H-A-P-T-H-A-H-N-H-O-F, to Nordhausen, capital N-O-R-D-H-A-U-S-E-N, and back to this point. Over and out.